to My Africa. Welcome to the Azanian podcast. I'm your host, Zimkita Khodolo. He was on a campaign trail today, and President Gedleyihlekisa Zuma left no stone unturned. He specifically addressed the issue that we all have been talking about, addressing the elephant in the room, so to speak, pala pala. He said, this notion or this thing we've been having over the years of our nation being controlled by one person is unjust and should not continue to happen. We don't know if the person is intelligent or not, but the country must be run as a collective, because some of the people who are running our country, or one specific person who is currently running our country, is a crook. He's got millions or whatever amounts that he even was caught he had kept under his mattress. Well, we do know that there's only one government official that has been known to have kept money under his mattress, and that is the President Jacob Zuma. So in saying that we have crooks running the country, we even have one that kept money under his mattress. Also part of the campaign trail, he did, of course, make remarks regarding education for our children, that under the Mkhonto weSizwe Party, that every child in South Africa, even forcefully so, must go to school. But one highlight was the remark suggested to be made he didn't mention names, let's be clear, he didn't mention names, but the connotation is that it must be pala pala, because who do we else know has been caught with or is alleged to have kept dollars under his mattress besides President Cyril Ramaphosa. So I suppose the fight against government officials who are corrupt, who are seen to be corrupt, or who have been alleged to be corrupt should not continue to happen, and saying that it should not, under the Mkhonto weSizwe Party, of course, that would not happen or should not happen, and that leadership should now, moving forward, be conducted as a collective leadership that is to govern the country. Do make your suggestions, do send us your comments on President Jacob Zuma's alleged remarks towards President Ramaphosa, and also your opinions regarding moving the country forward and working as a collective that would mean that various political formations would have to come together and form, I suppose, something like the government of unity in moving the country forward. Isolate, my Africa.